shit take me.
All right, man.
Yeah.
Well, good luck. I'm glad I got to see you when you weren't out of your mind.
Yeah, right. I know. It's the first time, I think.
Yeah, it's nice.
think
I never
it's
had
the
a real
first time.
conversation with you before, buddy.
I don't know. Maybe we should try this more often.
I would love to. Well, I promise. Every time I see you, I'll stop.
The video for today features a man who goes by the name of Scott. Scott has been on the channel 3 times prior to today. If you've been watching the channel for any period of time, you should immediately recognize him. The first time Scott was on the channel, he was found sleeping in the middle of a road, and when he woke up, he had a rather interesting interaction with the officer. The next time that Scott was on the channel, someone called in about him, and he was located at a local gas station in the middle of the day, and that time he was also acting strange. The third time Scott was on the channel, he was behind a local shopping mall, and a security guard had called in on him because he was walking around with one shoe, jumping up and down and shouting, and the man was concerned. Today's interaction is going to be dramatically different, because the interaction today shows what Scott is like when he's not abusing drugs. These are the type of encounters that police officers get to have with the community that most members of the community don't get to see. As a matter of fact, I think most people, if they saw Scott in the form he's even in this video, would be afraid to talk to him. As you'll see, the officers have a good relationship with him, are more than happy to talk to him, and he's more than happy to talk to these officers. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
What's up, Scott?
9101.
Someone's just concerned about you, buddy. Let's go over here in the shade.
Yeah, come out here on the road, man.
192.
192.
And I'm like,
It'll be clear from Kroger. We'll have a 16 right by the McDonald's here.
fucking Cody, man.
You take off?
Yeah, man, just right
Okay.
there. We're just going to go.
Someone's just concerned because you were standing out here in the middle, just kind of yelling a little bit.
Kind of walking in the middle of the street.
Yeah.
I had a moment, man.
Yeah, your hand looks like it's doing a heck of a lot better.
Hell no, look at this. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to Kroger because I got to get some tape.
Well, okay, better than what it was.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, better than what it was.
Like it's infected.
It ain't infected. My mom's a nurse practitioner.
Yeah, thanks.
And she came to see me yesterday and she was like, the infection's gone. Man, you know how long I was on fucking antibiotics for?
I took you to the hospital multiple times.
Multiples, yeah. Let me see, I was on it from first week of April until
Really?
I just went home.
Well, I'm glad you've been taking them.
Well, yeah, but the thing about it is my body rejects a lot of it. I know it's weird. Like the only two antibiotics they found out I could take was vancomycin and Roflex or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Just off the wall type shit. Yeah, I was just having.
Yeah.
I apologize.
Like, so the only reason we're here is because someone flagged us down and was concerned about you.
Man, you know what? Let me tell you something. Okay, so yesterday I fell asleep on someone's bed. The night before. Well, I woke up to raindrops hitting me. Which that ain't as bad as the other time, but so I'm like, fuck, man, it's raining. I'm trying to get up. And I had my brand new Jordan jacket on, and I was like, man, there's a little shed right here. It's an abandoned house, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm walking, I didn't stop, because it's fucking pouring down around. I didn't stop, I didn't do nothing. Straight to the fucking shed. Man, as soon as I got to the shed, the sheriff pulled up. And sir. You know what I mean? Like you guys dealt with me on numerous, you know what I'm saying? Petty shit.
23 gross.
And he's like, Lucy, I'm like, no, I'm cool, man. I'm like, alright, we're just coming to check on you. We got a phone call, you was standing in the middle of the front yard pissing. Man, listen, I don't care if they call you guys on here. Please tell you all the truth, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't like that shit. No.
Well, people do exaggerate when they call.
Yeah.
They turn on and off on
Oh, I'm like,
980.
yeah.
But, 23 to 8 please.
Now, the last time you
Sure.
took me to the doctor, I needed you.
Yeah. Well, every time I've taken you, you've asked me to.
Yeah.
You'll look me right in the eye.
My head was
Yeah.
spread open now, bleeding. I don't know what the fuck. It was some mental shit, man. I'm going through it for real. A lot of shit that's under the. And I don't like to talk about it. I don't talk about it with nobody. You just keep it bottled up. And you know what I mean? It just comes out at a certain time. Like right now, I'm cool as hell. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm cool guys,
This is probably the most lucid I've ever seen you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Fucking, but I'm definitely don't let you. It's like the Franklin Township guy said. He said, it wasn't fucking with me. I came out of the store and he's like, come here. I'm like, what's up? He's like, oh, quit. I was like, what's up? He's like, you like using your hands, don't you? I'm like, get away from me with that bullshit. If I did, I wouldn't even tell you that. Hey, but I said, man, I said, that was my favorite hat. That's some shit I would in my past. With that name no more, you know. You know Carrie Mae, don't you?
I do. I'm friends with her. She's good. I've actually spoken to her about you before.
Have you? I love her. That's my girl.
Yeah, she said you guys grew up together.
Yeah.
She worries about you.
Yeah, I know. A lot of them do. My sister's a cop.
Really?
Yeah.
Where does she work?
Fairfield.
Really?
Mm-hmm. She's a mean bitch.
Well,
She is, and they fucked up by giving that one.
really?
Yeah, I'm paid for her to go to college, or go to
Really?
police academy. Yeah. Many years ago.
What happened? What made you turn this way, man?
Man, listen. I'm sure Carrie Mae told you I was really good in sports.
Yeah.
I was an All-American football player. I was a 5-star athlete. And fucking, like 16. My mom was poor. And, I hated seeing her going through the struggles. So I was like, man, I'm getting my feet wet. Alright, now you see me talking to the police.
Find out your name's on that paperwork.
Alright, what was your last name again?
You ain't gonna mow my grass ever again.
Hey, you better check that lawnmower, it's already wired up.
You better not be wired up with stolen shit, son. I ain't telling, but I'm telling.
Hey, it's got one of them vibrating cameras, or them rotating cameras on it. Look at this. Yeah, but, so I was like, and my dad, my real dad, he's and my mom and dad had 3 kids, and my dad only had to take $150 a month for child support. So I did everything I could to get my mom to be able to get up on top, at least be on my dad's level, you know? And so I took one and telling the courts that they wanted joint custody. I checked into it, and it said that anything mom gave, or anything dad gave me, mom. Anything mom gave me, dad gave me. So I said, Mom, we're gonna do this. And that's the only way I can see that you can. She worked 3 jobs, went to high school, back to high school, went to college, you know what I mean? And I witnessed all this, babysat. So, I was like, anyways, I'll tell my dad.
49A, you said?
Dad, Mom was giving me fucking $300.
Thanks, I really appreciate that. Ray in Whitehead, west side of the street is also 802.
Hold on, you know what I mean? I'll come home.
Just have 3
There you go.
marijuana plants growing.
And then it got to the point where I was like, Dad just gave me $500 for the weekend. Now I realize, what's that? $500. So,
L3.
Just
L3.
You put 1958 Little and 1899 Hopkins on the run, please, and I'm clear.
Okay.
Me, I was a lot bigger. I mean, I was a big kid. And, so they was just like, here, man, take this 20,000 bits of ass. So I took one man, for real. I had about 52,000 bits of ass for that one time. Got busted with the last 2,000 hits, man. Kerry Manos guy set us up. He took down 42 of us. The biggest drug boss ever in Fairfield County history. Still to this day. He still holds numbers out there. And they, I know you know Pack. Or heard that name. Yeah. He used to be an actor. 30 years in the motherfucker. But I got busted by his nephew. Man, I swear to God, to you. Now, I had a pistol on me too, but he's like, bite down, bitch. Shit, sorry, I didn't mean to.
No, you're fine.
But he's like, bite down, bitch. I'm like, man, this dude is shaking. If I make one wrong move, that's my ass. You know what I'm saying? So I opted to bite down on that heat, you know what I mean? And at that, I was 17, I was facing 23 to life for doing drugs. You know what I mean? And I went to prison the first time, man, it ruined it. That shit don't help somebody. That shit ruins you.
Yeah.
And now I'm a gang member, you know what I mean? I walk in the door, I'm 242-pound, bald-headed white boy. What do you think I'll be carrying? I definitely would never become an Aryan, but I'm higher up than that. I'm what they call Peckerwood. But anyway, it's real big out west and shit. Shot callers, basically, you know what I mean? And I come home from the joint after doing 9.5 years. Carrie Mae was one of the first people I seen. She was the first people at my door, yep. And my mom had a big ass cake party and shit. When I came home and she had Carrie Mae. Sam was there too, you know Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love her, his brother, bro. His brother's my dude. Yeah. Listen, his brother, I come to him one time, we're working out and shit, and I was in a 1,000-pound club. And me and Ben working out side by side, man, I'm like, man, there's so much pussy out of mine, whatever college we went to that weekend. He's like, yeah, I can't wait to get to go. I'm like, oh yeah. I said, man, he was my center. I played fullback, and you know what I mean, I'm basically another center playing in the backfield. And I said, man, he was a pretty boy, motherfucker, too, boy. That's why I used to call him Pretty Boy Floyd, come on. And I said, who you gonna play next year? Because I made him look real good, you know what I mean? He said, Lou, I'm not even gonna play. I said, no, what are you doing? He said, man, fucking cheerleader. I said, you fag or what, bro? He's like, fuck no, I ain't no fag, bro. Just wait till I bring home some of them motherfucking videotapes. He said, I'm gonna videotape one just for you.
Myself in 4 minutes.
I said, alright, well, surprise. Good. I said, good. I've been to a million colleges from every day. And every last one of them motherfucking cheerleading dudes, I thought were guys. Man, don't you know, the first time he came, he went to Miami. Florida State.
Okay.
He come home and brought me some. Oh my God, he's like
81, can you call me out 84 equipment for a minute?
Yeah, it's permanent.
He's holding these bitches up. I'm like, God, dang, check this one. I got one bent over, doggy style, flip back. I'm like, man, how in the fuck did you get a job like it? I'm coming to school with you. Fuck going to go getting my brains beat out. But yeah, me and real tight. Matter of fact,
If you need to go on this 3722 Bridge Road, it's one of those addresses where we have to escort them. They got a medical run there.
She's a nurse at Grant.
I was getting ready to mark, headed out to Georgia. I'm not sure I can make it to Mount Carmel.
Mom went to.
That's right, I'm sorry. Hey,
Mom's
okay, I got you.
doctor now. She's a nurse practitioner.
23, I'll bring her in.
Okay.
It is what it is, man. I got some people that love me and I think.
We got a lot of people that look out for you, man. It's just there's only so much they can do.
I know. And, no, Carrie May. I love Carrie May. Make sure you tell her that.
I will. I'll shoot her a text as soon as I get back in the car.
Please do. Tell her I said what's up.
Where are you staying now? You got a tent or?
Yeah, I got a tent.
Where about is it?
Over in these woods.
Okay.
Yeah, and look, I'm no different than you. You know what I mean? We all put our clothes on the same fucking what?
Yeah.
I just mind.
We're gonna road race right here, huh? I guess.
Yeah, right.
She wasn't paying attention. Nope. All right, Scott, are you about to go fly your sign for a little while?
Yeah, I'm gonna go do that, but I gotta go up in here and get my wound shit taken.
All right, man. Yeah. Well, good luck. I'm glad I got to see you when you weren't out of your mind.
Yeah, right. I know. It's the first time, I think.
Yeah, it's nice. I never had a real conversation with you before, buddy.
No, maybe we should try this more often.
I would love to. I promise. Every time I see you, I'll stop. Okay.
Okay. All right. Well.
Hopefully, you're not crazy next time.
Yeah, I'll try not to. Mom's home, so I gotta straighten up. She's liable to show up at any fucking time.
Well, that sounds like motivation, if you ask me.
Yeah, right. My mom ain't no joke. My mom. I mean, look, my mom. I could go live with my mom right now, but it's more of a thing that
you gotta get yourself right, man.
I do. You know what I mean?
You gotta go get yourself checked in.
I'm not going to put her through no shit, nothing like that.
Well, when your mind is like right now, when you're feeling good, that's when you need to go and get yourself checked in, dude.
Yeah, I know that, but...
Because in another 2 hours, you're probably going to be high again.
No, I'm not fucking around.
No?
No.
All right.
Yeah.
I hope you're right.
I'm not fucking around today. I'm going to try to go to the casino or something.
Okay.
Just hang out by myself.
All right, well, me and my partner are going to get out of here, bud.
Cool.
All right, Scott, take it easy, dude.
You guys take it easy, too.
Good seeing you.
Yes, you soon.